welcome to Coding After Work.
We're back. Another week.
3
Another
times,
stream.
3 weeks in a row now.
It's almost like we're doing it on purpose.
Who would have known? Who would have known?
So, how's your week been?
I don't even know. It's been a lot. It is. We're ramping up for the .NET conference Svetug. So there's like 5 gazillion meetings every day, and but it's fun stuff in the end.
And the call for paper is still open.
It is.
And
Tickets are on sale. You heard it here first. Actually, we haven't announced it yet, but they are on sale.
In that case, maybe maybe we shouldn't tell anyone.
Well, we did. We did reveal that last week as well.
Okay.
So I don't think it's at least that we were planning on it.
That makes sense, I guess. Yeah.
So how has your week been then?
It's been busy. A lot of meetings. I was in the office on Wednesday, Tuesday.
Yeah, and your office is like a 2-hour train ride or something.
1.5, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
The train
It's
is
not that
1.5. Yeah.
I thought it was worse.
But I had back-to-back meetings from morning until the time that I left.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was, but I kind of like that more, because being in the office and just putting on my headphones and just writing code, I can do that at home.
Yeah.
But meeting people for real in a meeting room, talking to the team, all of that stuff I can't do when I'm home. So I actually do enjoy that more than working in the office.
Yeah.
So that
which you rarely do. So
yeah, and it was a good day.
Nice.
I think. Yeah.
So are we .netting all the things?
I'm thinking that we are.
Yeah. Or .NET 10ing all the things, maybe? I don't know.
I guess so, yeah. So
switching over?
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh.
Wow. Our light just blinked for no reason at all.
Well, maybe it's to remind us that Halloween is in a week.
Could be.
Yeah. Who knows?
Or, hey, look at me, I'm light theme. Oh, that would so be a Halloween costume.
Are you going to dress up as a light theme?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
or
really white
we're streaming in light theme.
Yeah. Going around with the black light shining on me with a reflective. Everyone is just, oh God, what is that?
I'm light theme.
Could you imagine anything more scary than that? Yeah.
maybe a thing or two.
So, I was thinking about what we're gonna do today, and we had 2 things that didn't work last time.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought we should fix those.
Yeah.
And as the TV chef that I am, I have solved those. So, to be fair.
You prepared a little.
Yeah, I was in the studio. I knew that on my computer that was sitting right here on the desk in the studio, there were broken code.
Ah.
And it was like, look at me, I'm broken.
Calling your name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so, that happens.
So I kind of just had to. But it wasn't anything revolutionary. Basically what we got, let me see if I can actually remember what I added.
Well, I would hope so. It was literally yesterday.
It was a couple of days ago.
Oh, it was? Oh.
Yeah. Let me see. What was the thing? I thought it was in here.
The thingamajig?
Maybe it was. Yes, it was here. So it was this piece of code here. I didn't move this over from the old implementation. Actually, I think it was maybe all of this. So it was a little bit weird when it comes to padding and stuff like that. So I kind of just, you know what, copy this, put this in here, boom. And if we now run this, I just want to add that before we went down to the studio, I did update.
Speaking of light theme.
Can you explain to me why the default behavior with a browser set to dark theme, why is this white?
I do not
There's
know.
no world where someone is like, well, I enjoy a light theme, so the empty box, the empty window should definitely be white.
I'm pretty sure some people actually enjoy.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Yeah, light theme, absolutely. But this screen does not ever have to be white.
No. You are shaking the table, or you? You're very passionate about this.
I am upset about this because every time I start Visual Studio, basically, it does that to me.
So, well, no blank site for you.
All right, so here's the site. Let's reload it. Boom!
I see more things we need to fix.
It's fast. It's awesome.
It also has no padding in the upper right corner where event is on. Well, very, very close to the cogwheel. Yeah,
it is. It's there. It's true. But this is one of the things that the fix fixed. There were some off spacings and stuff like that. And also, if you go into for speakers, we got the padding on the sides and also a little bit of padding on the top. And if we go to a smaller window, let's see if I can actually get that. Apparently we can fix a couple of things here as well.
Like the white hamburger menu on yellow background.
Yeah.
For instance, just throwing it out there.
But also a little bit of spacing here, I think.
Yeah.
But this looks way better than the broken one, at least. So baby steps. But I also realized, so there is a functionality in the site that we have built that so usually I submit for a lot of conferences. I haven't done that in a while. So I haven't used the site actively for a while.
No.
But if I go in here, my events, we can see that all the events that I have submitted for, so this one I got accepted to. Same thing here. That's what the check mark is for.
And you are logged in now.
I am logged in, yes. And Techorama Belgium, well, I submitted for that. I think I haven't heard back. I'm not sure about that. Maybe I did. I'm not going to say that I didn't.
No.
But I didn't get in at least. And same thing with Techorama Netherlands.
How does the Svetug look?
So if you scroll down here, I have submitted to Svetug Stockholm.
Which is still open for another week.
Shameless plug. And
no, I was ashamed a little.
And as you can see, it is submitted. So this works like this. In the settings, we have the sessionize calendar. Now I'm apparently doxing myself, but that's fine. You can check out my calendar. I'm totally okay with that. So basically what you do is that you pop in here and you go to sessionize, you locate and grab the calendar URL and then just paste it here.
Yeah.
So this is basically going to expose an iCal URL. So you're going to grab that and it's going to use that and update and connect you with the conference and then set a state whether or not you have submitted or got accepted and stuff like that. So you get all of this really nice interaction from inside the site, which I really enjoy. And if we go into Svetug again, I am logged in. Svetug, there we go. And you can see it here as well, that we have submitted, or I have submitted, and you have submitted as well.
I have.
And we can see that we have a drop down here to basically say that, hey, you know what?
So you can override.
I can override, yes.
Yeah. And you can also, if you want to know which conferences you attended and not spoke at and stuff like that.
Yeah, because this is not only for speakers, this is for attendees and organizers as well.
Yeah.
So all of that goodness apparently still works.
Yeah, that's a nice surprise.
He says surprised. So we got that out of the way. Now, the second thing that didn't work last time was the login. And I'm
pretty sure it's working now.
It is. And the only thing I had to do was to add the URL up here into Auth0. I didn't want to do that on stream because I don't want to accidentally dox anything. I guess I could have done screenshots and stuff like that, but I didn't want to risk that. But only took that URL, put it into Auth0, boom, we're up and running.
Nice. What's not nice is that it's around minus 3.3 degrees Celsius when the conference is happening.
Yeah. So here's actually another bug in the system. Because the conference is February 3 to 4th. Mm-hmm. But down here it says 2 and 3.
Oh, interesting.
Now, the issue, I think, is that we're saving the date with the date at 12 a.m.
Mm.
Yeah.
And not 12:01.
Well,
or whatever that is.
I think that it's compensating for time zones and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then you would get this weird I don't think it's happening everywhere. So I think it might be...
Check an American conference.
What do we have?
.NET Conf is at least set up in
no,
the US?
I don't think that
it isn't?
one.
Okay.
Well, I can check. I'm not sure if that's in here.
Okay. So it's the IRL ones. Okay, and also it's very hard to search for.
Let's do
build.
Azure Dev Summit. That should be.
But that was in.
Oh, that's actually already been. So we're not
and it's also in Europe.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Okay, so what do we have?
Star Trek. Awesome conference. Also awesome name.
Yeah, not happening right now.
What is...
It needs to have not happened yet.
Kansas KCDC?
I think
that's not a...
KCDC.
No.
But let's do it like
gosh!
This,
yes, yeah. That's
so this one is in the US. Blast off 11/11.
Yeah. So this one is correct.
There's something going on when we are getting the
dates or
weather.
Temperatures.
Yeah. And how we are storing that. So that's
24 degrees.
Definitely a solvable problem. So,
I don't think. Yeah.
Albuquerque.
Okay.
That's not true. It only says United States, so I'm guessing this is this kind of
is it in the middle of...
No, it's not.
No.
Huh.
But what if you click on it? The URL for the conference. Now I want to know. I need to know. Conference link? Where are you? Albuquerque.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Why didn't it pick that one up?
I do not know.
That's weird. Okay. But
Ruby on Rails.
It was apparently correct. So that's good.
Solve that one.
Cool. So that's the two problems that we had. Let's fix this. Has Visual Studio just...
Did it give up on you?
Did. I think it did.
Okay. Well, that's lovely.
So we're going to do this without Visual Studio. There we go. Actually, notice that sometimes it does this. I'm running Insiders. Just before we went down to the studio, I, of course, installed the latest version.
Of course you did. So it's untested territory.
It is. It could have been a really short stream.
Well, that is the price for running betas and previews and what have you.
Yeah. I'm for those who doesn't know me, I get a little bit stressed when I am not running the latest version.
It's true. If there's a higher number, he's on it.
Yeah.
Remember when we got Microsoft Edge Canary? That was way back when.
I saw a Swedish comedy clip. I think I actually sent it to you on TikTok, where they are in the military, the Swedish military, and the officer goes to the soldier. How tall are you? 170. Higher? 2 meters.
What? Why? Oh, because of the numbers. Okay, I got it. I was like, why did you draw this parallel? Did not compute. But I'm with you now.
Yeah, I thought that was really funny. We talked about that. I had a meeting with my old team today, and we talked about these kinds of old Swedish comedy stuff, and how they... I mean, back then, there were 2 channels on the TV. That was like, everyone was, oh, it's Friday, everyone come on, sit down. And
you had 2 shows to choose from.
Yeah, basically. And everyone was, oh, they're so funny. They're so... And it did not age well.
No.
It's not like... You don't laugh about these things, but it was funnier than the news, I guess.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Or current affairs or whatever was on. It was a lot of culture and news on one of the channels and more entertainment on the other. Yeah, but we got Denmark's channels as well. They actually had a lot of new movies and TV series and stuff.
The bad part is that you
did not understand a thing. Well, I did. I learned some Danish. Not any useful Danish.
So what I'm thinking, the next step is to kind of get WebAssembly up and running.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's what we're going to do, what we're going to keep running it as, but I still want to kind of have that working.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the project here. So we got a NextTechEvent API. Now, API is using the word a little bit wrong, maybe? It's not wrong, but it's not right. I think the naming should have been repository, because that's more what it is. But well, it's just naming. So basically,
naming is hard.
It is. So basically, what this does is that it's setting up a document store, which is for RavenDB. And then it has a bunch of different methods here. So save conference. It has we're sending in a conference. It's just going to grab that and store that in the database. We got a couple of save status, yada yada yada. And then if we scroll down a little bit more here, let's do another one. Get conferences async. So basically, conference singular. So basically, if I send in an ID, we're going to get the conference back. And this is currently running on the server only because, well, one, we're running Blazor server or interactive server. So we're only running this on the server at any given point. So get conference async, we need to make an API out of that. So we need so that we can call that from WebAssembly, because WebAssembly is not running on the server. And WebAssembly does not have direct access to our Raven database. So we need to create an actual API for this.
An API.
An API, exactly. So we need to kind of bring in or create API endpoints for all of this. And I really like minimal APIs.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe we can use that.
Sounds good. Anything with the word minimal gets my vote.
So let's. So right now, everything, all of this stuff is in the data folder here inside of the client project. And that doesn't make sense. We don't want to have that in the client project. The client project is the stuff that it's going to run in the web browser. So we kind of want to remove that.
Yeah.
The problem is this. We are generating an interface, and we're doing that based on this on this API or this class, which is totally fine. The problem is that if we would move this to the backend, the front end or the client will no longer have access to that generated API or interface. So we kind of need to move that to the server side, but also keep the interface on the client side. So I'm thinking what we want to do is we want to take the interface. Let's create another one here. Let's actually do it. Cancel. Let's actually do it like this. So NextTechEvent API. And we're gonna call this server API or server repository. We call it repository. Let's call it server API.
Well, at least it's consistent with the file name.
It doesn't really matter. And let's rename the file as well. Rename this one to that. There we go. So we got NextTechEvent server API. So in this case, we want to do another file. Can do that right here. And this one should be called NextTechEvent Client API. Let's call it Client API. Might make more sense to call it like client, only client. Let's call it just client. There we go. I can rename this. Doesn't matter. This is kind of an odd thing that...
I'd say that naming was hard.
Yeah, this is kind of a weird thing as well, because when we create a new class, we get the namespace here, right? And this is fine. This is going to work. But the new syntax is this. Oh. Did you feel it? The cognitive load just gone. Look at this. Well. You did
so
feel
you
it,
added
didn't you?
one character and removed two rows. Yeah.
And 3 tabs, whatever, because it was indented as well.
Yeah. Oh, right.
So it's so much better. So much better. So let's implement this interface here. like so. Not like that, like that. Let's add that one there. There we go. And also, let's implement the interface like so. So now we have the interface here. We don't have anything implemented at all, but we have it. Now, we could grab this one and simply move it here instead. Or so I thought.
It did not agree.
Me too.
Hey, Napalm!
Hey! What's up? Let me see, where is that one? Oh, everything broke.
The sky. Oh, you are correct. You are correct. Oh, well, what do I know? It's black hair. Can't see a thing.
I broke everything.
You broke everything?
It's
the naming, isn't it?
Interface generator.
Hey,
Let me see here. Where is that? That's there. Using interface generator. There we go. Boom. So I guess.
Did you unbreak it?
I'm not sure. Unbreak my code. I'm not sure if it actually needs to be. Does it need to have that name? Is that a thing?
I do not know. That's why
Can
you
I
are
name
coding
it?
and I'm watching.
Maybe I can name it. I can do it like this, perhaps. Because I want it to be called that. I like that name. That's one of the names I like. Is that's a thing?
Would this be a who wrote this? Oh, me moment I arrived at. No, he just literally just broke it. But also, yes, he did write it. Did you make it?
Yes.
Yes.
So basic what we did, we took this. Whoa, everything broke now. Why did everything break?
You renamed something?
Because this one is no longer. Why is? Oh, because the API is now in the NextTechEvent.client.data.
Right. You did actually say that.
It moved my cheese.
You moved your cheese.
Someone did.
I'm pretty sure it was you. I was here. Did not move your cheese.
So you were here, so it could have been your fault. Is that what you're saying? Is that what that what I'm bringing with you?
Sure. Could have been me.
What is up with this? This is annoying.
Oh, it doesn't dock?
It does, but it's opening down here. If I click here, it goes...
Oh, got it. Well, that's what you get for running previews.
So, to be able to
Shiny Visual Studio 2026. Yes, Stacey. He literally moments before the stream, he updated to the latest bits.
I did. It's all true.
Yeah, and now we're wondering why everything goes wrong. Okay, might not be Visual Studio's fault though.
Hey.
I'm pretty sure it's your naming.
So client, it was data or something like that, maybe.
YOLO-driven development. I love that. Yeah, definitely.
NextTechEvent client data. So this should work.
YOLO-driven development.
I like it.
Yeah. You should do a talk about that. If only we had a conference to submit to.
That would have been great.
Yeah. That may or may not have the call for papers open another week. Not the worst idea. I know, right? That would be a hilarious talk. Yes. 8 days. 8 might be hard. Well, You only need to, don't need to submit the whole talk, just like...
Oh, that is actually...
the gist of it. The description and the title.
Yeah. You never write your talk before you submit it.
Well, it depends on where you are in your speaker journey.
Never.
Because it was not... like 10 years ago, you were like, I don't understand the people who submit and haven't done the complete talk written yet. And here we are. It's totally a bucket list item for me, but that's a large, expensive trip. Well, if only said conference were covering hotels and travel.
That would be
That would
great.
have been
yeah,
so nice. So nice.
That would be perfect. I'm not 100% sure that the mics are picking up when you're whispering. Did it pick up? I'm not saying that it didn't, but I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't watch the output, so I don't know. Should I feel guilty about that? No. Oh, it did? Oh, awesome. Nice. Why would you feel guilty?
Well, you should definitely submit, I think.
Yeah.
The more the merrier.
And if you are in any way, shape, or form unsure of how you would do, we actually offer speaker training as well. Spending money for someone who needs it for the trip. Well, you would need it for the trip. So...
everyone gets
like
their
really
trip
needs it. Yeah,
paid.
we offer it for all the speakers that we get on board.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, some of them have companies, big companies that can pay for them, and that is ads. No, stupid ads. So we cover all the speakers. We do not question whether you need it or not. There are some people that works at companies that can cover for them, and we are really happy about that because we're a nonprofit organizations, but we also really, really want to take care of our speakers. So definitely. Oh, Stace says, submit. It's an awesome conference with the best speaker room ever. Thank you.
I don't want to make fun of spelling, but when I read that, I read it room.
She is a Brit.
Yeah.
Best speaker room.
Yeah.
Come on.
I found that really hilarious, and I'm not that guy.
I'm sorry, Stace. You're not.
No.
I just heard you.
I don't mind spelling and
no.
spelling
he cannot
mistakes
type for the life of him if someone's watching. Did I say that out loud?
You did.
Oh, oops. Sorry.
Whoopsie.
I thought it was in my head.
It was in your head room.
Yeah, think about it. And if you want to bounce ideas or anything, just let us know.
I did.
That's fine. Stacey missed most of it because a little person was speaking to her.
Oh, I can do it again. I actually got a message on LinkedIn from a guy that wanted to submit for the conference, and he bounced ideas off me today.
Yeah.
And I don't want to give away what he talked about, but there were some really interesting stuff in there. So yeah. Yeah,
we're a friendly bunch. No judge. We are happy to support both beginners and advanced speakers, and we need more awesome people. You're awesome people, so there you go.
Definitely. Okay, so we got...
Oh, right, you messed up something.
I messed up something. So we got an API, or let's call it an API. NextTechEvent client which is basically going to call the API.
Yeah.
Which we don't have.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking...
Which could be an issue.
Yes. But it's also the most boring part ever to do APIs.
You don't like writing APIs?
I do not like writing APIs. No? So I want to do two things. I want to grab this one. This is a server API. And I think...
What are we doing with that?
I think we want to keep these... Let's see, we are returning these. We're going to keep those there. So the server API, that's the stuff that is only going to execute on the server.
Right.
So we're going to move that one from the client project into the server project. I'm going to add a new folder, data, and boom. There we go. So this should...
In theory,
still... compile.
If you speak a little slower, you might...
People are speeding up the YouTube video afterwards. And I'm like, oh, that was super fast. Everything just worked. Amazing. Visual Studio 2026. Woohoo. Okay, so we got our project. But, so I thought, maybe this is a great opportunity to see if we can Copilot this.
You really do not like it.
I really don't. I really don't. So let's pop into the I don't know if this one is probably the correct one. So I'm gonna
the server API.
The server API, yeah. So we got this one. And we can copy this and let's go into chat. It's actually including the active document by default. So that would be this one because it's active. So let's see here. So I want to do...
Save me.
I want to do... Why? Oh, there it is. So GPT-5, because, why?
Because you like it, and it has a higher number.
It has a higher number, exactly. Because this is important, people.
For Jimmy.
So, a mutual friend of ours, I'm not going to say his name. He would probably not mind that I did, though. He was at a thing today. And he had his fingers, and the fingers touched a Stream Deck, rack-mounted Stream Deck.
Oh, nice.
And he told me about it.
You are very jealous.
I am. Or envious, I think the correct
word. Yeah. Yeah.
There's a lot of people... There's a lot of people that use I'm jealous of something.
Yeah.
But it's actually envious is more correct.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not that guy that hey, you know what, you say using the wrong word because I do that all the time. But I don't remember what it was, but I wanted to send an I'm so envious GIF to someone. Envious is not a GIF that exists. Well, it does exist, but there's no really good envious GIFs. There's a lot of jealous GIFs, but not one of those, this one, this is perfect. This shows how envious I am.
Did you create one then?
I didn't.
No.
But I should, maybe.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is a namespace thing again. Look at this. No. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see if we can do it.
So you are jealous of the jealous gifts because of envy. Nice one.
Yeah. So Copilot, it has two modes. One is ask, so we can basically ask it to do things, and it will tell us how we can do that stuff.
Yeah.
Or we can do agent. That means that it's going to apply code, it's going to build things, it's going to fix bugs and more. So let's do agent and see what happens. I want to add minimal APIs for the methods.
No, wait.
Methods in
There we go.
NextTechEvent server API. Add everyone, and use minimal API. Do you think this would work?
But you said add
actually
minimal API and use minimal API?
Fair enough, but better safe than sorry.
Well,
Zoom is so I can just move this over here so that we can see. Hopefully you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit. There we go. I want to add minimal APIs for the methods in the file. Add every call maybe. And use minimal API. Now, as you say, I'm saying minimal API twice.
I think the AI can handle.
They're like, I don't know what it's telling me twice. I don't know what I'm going to do. So let's try this and see what happens.
Well, in all fairness, sometimes it understands what you're thinking and sometimes it doesn't even understand what you're writing.
Yeah. So, enable access to the latest GPT-5 model from OpenAI. Yeah. Otherwise, I can't use it. All my source belongs to you.
Yeah. Well, I messed up. I was going to kick out a spammer. Accidentally clicked the wrong button, granted them moderator privileges.
No.
I quickly banned them. Like, wait, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Let's just say it's been a while.
There's a lot of things you could have done, and one thing that was wrong.
How you doing? Oh yeah, I gave the troll God mode. That could have ended very badly.
Hey Sean, how are you?
Well, apparently I'm not capable of kicking people out.
So now it's doing stuff, editing program.cs. Oh God, I hope this works. Please, 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 please.
Jimmy, really but don't want to write an API.
It's that
you would have been done by now.
No, I would not. It's like 24 different methods.
Good evening.
And all of this stuff is A, boring, 2,
boring.
Did
you say A and 2?
I did.
Okay.
Let's not talk about that.
Exhausting. Dealing with multi-day outage. Oh gosh, awesome. No, not so much. That doesn't sound fun.
What's going on?
It didn't listen?
Let's see what it did here. Here is how...
widen so we can actually see what it's doing?
Proceed to edit program.cs. 42 things it has removed. And 98.
Added 98? Why?
Here's how the code can be fixed.
Fixed? But you asked it to write an API.
Yeah, and build successful, so it did fix it, or what?
That's what you get for not writing it yourself.
So... Oh, it's in here. Everything.
Okay. I wonder what it removed then. Stuff.
Status by user.
Well, it did compile, so run it. Run it.
Let's actually try that. Let's see here. Get conferences. Get conferences. What is that actually? Oh, there are 3 overloads as well.
Not happy about that.
Well, I was hoping that it actually would
Oh,
add the
wow.
overloads as well.
Napalm did a Docker system prune yesterday. 30 gigs.
Oh, God.
Docker is a storage black hole.
So what is this method doing if we... that did not help. There we go.
That's what you get.
Get conferences. Get conference. There we go. So this one is getting all of them, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Where number of days is less than... Is it getting every single one?
But isn't that the first...
Well, I guess
the
we
initial...
can...
load.
let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. How bad can it be?
Started getting Docker out of storage messages. Gee, wonder why. Ouch.
So what it did for, let's keep this. Let's hope that there's some good stuff in here. Does it compile?
In theory.
It does compile. Ship it.
He didn't just say, how bad could it be? He did. In not so many words.
In exactly those words, actually. So it's mapping a group here.
Mm-hmm.
So API/conferences would be how we would get access to the conferences.
Mm-hmm.
So let's run this. See what happens. Let's see if we got some APIs.
Incantation to invite trouble. Yes, definitely. Like jinxing all the things. And there you go.
What the heck? Read only span of... Is this even English?
The property preamble on type... What? Okay.
Read span. Do we have any read span? Read span. Oh, that's not
Updating before release.
read span.
Well, this is the live page, isn't it?
What?
The page. The updating before release. We got a comment. This is the live page that is already up and running. Yeah. We're living on the edge.
Oh, okay. So updating .NET 10 before the release of .NET 10.
Yes, of course, I'm sorry.
So .NET 10 is, well, first of all, a higher number than .NET 9. But also it is, what are they calling it? It's calling their
preview.
Go live.
Yeah.
So it is okay to run it in production. Now, we're not running it. We don't have .NET 10 running in production just yet because we're
working on it.
We're upgrading.
Yeah.
So maybe
from
we'll wait.
.NET 7.
So maybe we're gonna wait until the release, but we don't have to wait because it has a go live license.
Nice. Hello.
What is going on?
I think I remember you not wanting to write an API and then messing with the AIs.
Do not spend an hour doing something that when you can spend a week failing to automate it.
Where can I see the website from you? You can see that on the NextTechEvent. Do you have the URL up?
I can bring it up.
Oh, nice. Oh, or not. That's our power usage.
.com. So nexttechevent.com. Boom. No, no, no.
Oh no, it's not you, it's me. My brain has shut down for the evening, so it's definitely a me problem, not a you you problem. Yeah, so this site is for finding the next tech events, whether you are a speaker who wants to find a conference to submit your call for papers.
Let's just grab a conference, random,
like in Sweden in February with the call for papers open.
And with the correct spelling. Let's just grab this one. Arbitrary, totally. We have nothing to do with this at all.
Well, we're kind of the organizers. Two of the organizers. Like synchro speaker. I do not know that actually, but this is also for attendees and for organizers. Because what we find, we organize a bunch of events and conferences. And what we find is it is super hard to know when to plan a conference, because either you want to be when there's none of your competition, if you want, going on, or the same topics, or you want to actually partner up with someone so you can share the cost of the speakers and stuff like that. So we have one part is for the speakers who wants to find conferences.
So that's it, this one for call for paper.
And then we have for attendees who just want to find a good tech conference to go to.
I get that question a lot, especially from my colleagues. Like, we have a little
piece of budget
allowance, that we can go to conferences for or with.
That we can use for conferences.
Yes, thank you. So basically, where do we find a .NET conference? Well, you can just jump in here and simply
search for .NET.
Yeah,
or city or tags.
Yeah.
Or
so let's do Stockholm. Is anything happening here? Well, JFocus.
Yeah.
Sweet Tug.
Wait, Sweet
Tug. What's that?
I don't know.
So there's that option, and
we also have for organizers. And this is super helpful. It looks horrible. It is a heat map, but it is super helpful when you're trying to figure out what date or what week or month to plan your conference around. As you can see, in May, there's 57 events going on in one day. I'm guessing it's Azure Global. Yeah.
But if we jump to next year, and our conference is actually on the 3rd.
You say and point at the 2nd.
Yeah. So we can click that one and then scroll down. That's one of the things that we definitely need to fix, because it doesn't make any sense that it's not scrolling down.
No.
But at that, in the 3rd of February, we got JFocus, Sweet Tug, and AgitCon.
Oh, I know.
Which is randomly all of them in Stockholm.
They are. And AgitCon is a friend of ours who is organizing that.
Ooh. Cool.
She asked me if I wanted to submit. I'm like, it is Svetug.
Got it.
And she didn't use the site. So she's like, how am I supposed to know? I'm like, I have the solution for you. Shameless plug.
And based on this, we can see that, okay, so JFocus is at the same time. We can check out, do they have any speakers? Oh, they do. Can we partner them up? Yeah. Could we do something like that?
Or the other way around, we do not want to be at the same time.
Yes. And we can also see, like, so at the 4th, we got even more conferences. Well, these are not, Oslo could have been a thing.
Yeah.
Thailand, probably not, flying people over from there. But that's the idea of the site, basically.
Yeah. And you can also log in and see your sessionized conferences and stuff like that if you log in.
No. Okay, so let's see what's going on here.
Yep.
Let's run this. I removed all the minimal APIs now. So we're just gonna take a look here.
If the AI ruined something else?
Yes. Let's see.
If they moved your cheese.
It probably did.
Yeah, you never know. You never know.
Dun, dun, dun. Is that actually works? That's too bad. Okay, got it. So let's turn on the things one by one. Oh, Visual Studio is doing it too.
Oh, is it getting tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you get for running previews.
But I like previews.
You like higher numbers. You want to collect them all. Comes with a prize.
Magic comes with a prize.
Magic? Is it magic?
Isn't it magic?
I don't know.
I think it is.
Oh, right. Okay, so I got it. Yeah. Magic always comes with a prize.
Isn't that exactly what I said?
Yeah, but...
Yeah, okay. Got it.
I wasn't computing. My processor is
so let's
burnt out.
let's add this one, and let's add the map get. Let's start with this and see what happens.
Will it blow?
Now the cool thing here is that we're saying API group, so it /API add /conferences. Then we add a method here that takes a parameter, which is an NextTechEvent API interface. So we're getting access to that API, and then we're just calling API.getConferencesAsync. So we're using the NextTechEvent server API and just makes a call to that one, which is really nice.
Yep. So Sean says it's just better when she says it. I'm married too.
Yeah. The idea is to kind of sneak in the ideas. So
what are you saying? Are you sleeping on the couch tonight?
I'm just saying the idea is to sneak in the idea, and then when you come and say, "Oh, we need good, I got this great," that's a great idea. Let's do that.
Oh, come on, you're not that bad. Stop now. Yeah, exactly. Stop digging. Also, this is recording.
There we go. So /API/conferences. This should return something. Now it's getting like a lot of conferences.
Ton of conferences.
This is probably one of those APIs that we should not expose. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
But it's working. And that's the most important thing.
Yeah. No, the most important thing for you is not to write the API by hand.
Yes. We can make the AI work for... Oh, it's doing that again.
Yeah. It does not want to play. It's like it's all the AI code saying slow things down.
Too many lines of code.
Yeah. Too many AI-looking stuff. The API text looked almost like a magic eye stereogram. Spooky.
Okay, so we got a map post. So that's basically saving a conference.
I just turned everything off.
So we need to get back to... And we're back.
And we're back.
Or you are back, actually. We were probably here all along, I guess.
Yeah. So what we have on the table that is usually not on the table is a little button thingy. And that button thingy turns off everything.
Not everything.
Well, not the computer.
But it turns off all the screens that we have here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
so
definitely.
You disappeared. And I did that.
I made that. Okay, so saving conferences async. We do have a way of adding conferences. It's not it's in there, but it's not exposed anywhere. So I'm thinking we're just gonna keep that one out of the loop for now.
Yeah.
So let's add a get this one. Get conferences by sessionize ID. This is used by the backend,
right?
To get IDs or conferences. We don't need that one. We don't need to expose that one. We can remove that one actually.
One less row code.
There we go. Conferences range, date range, and so we're getting conferences by start date and end date. That sounds reasonable. We got near, so longitude and latitude.
All right.
So that's that row as well. And we have a search.
That can be
also
handy.
Makes sense. We have search active, so that all the conferences that
has open call for papers.
No, that hasn't happened yet.
Oh, got it.
And then we have a bool saying, okay, do you have open call for paper? Yes or no?
Right. Got it.
And search terms and all of that goodness. So that's that row as well. Count by date.
Oh, that's for the overview page.
Yes.
The organizer page.
Yes.
Hey.
So let's get that one.
Maybe my brain is booting up and I just jinxed it.
Open call for paper. We need that. Probably gonna have to look through all of this at some point as well.
Yeah.
Conferences virtualized. So that's for the virtualized list. I'm not sure that we're using that one. Let's skip that one for now as well. Don't need to expose more than we need. No. And this is also one of those things that we need to talk about, because this is an open site.
Yeah.
We're not requiring you to log in.
No.
So that means that all of these APIs are going to be more or less just on the internet.
Yeah.
So basically, we're giving away all this information that we have collected from many different sources and
which may or may not be a good idea.
It may or may not be a good idea. So that's also one of those things that we need to think about. Do we want to use WebAssembly or not? I don't think it's an issue really, because I mean, if we can collect it, other people can collect as well, and it would probably make more sense that they did that without having us in the middle. But we might want to think about that.
Yeah, exactly. It's still something we need to take into account.
Yeah.
When we figure out which version we want to run.
Now this one is getting the conferences by a user ID.
So that would be the logged in.
Yes. So basically, if I know a user ID, I would be able to get the conferences for that user.
Yeah.
I do not want to expose this.
No.
So I'm going to leave that not exposed. We probably want to get that one.
Yeah, but
we
not
want to
here.
get the user ID from the logged in user, and we need to have that under authentication as well.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking let's start with the non authenticated methods first. Okay.
Yep.
So we got all of that. Let's run
weather.
this and see if this still works.
Literally 2 minutes ago. Let's try them one by one. Also you. Here's 15 of them. Still runs.
Right. Okay.
And then we need to cool down Visual Studio 2026.
Yep.
Because
to be fair, I did have this problem with the earlier version as well.
So it could actually have helped that you updated before the stream.
That's at least what I'm going to stick with.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Still cooling down. Oh, come on.
There we go.
There we go.
All right. So status is
Hey.
the status of the conference. So my status of the conference.
Oh, right. If you're submitted or if you spoke there or
exactly
accepted.
And also update from calendar. That one is also one of those that's
logged
just
in.
going to be on the server and stuff like that. Let's not implement those just yet, at least.
Sounds reasonable.
Update from calendar, we don't need that. Settings as well, those are going to be authenticated. Let's just leave those for now. I actually think we're done.
Yeah.
Cool.
You wrote an API without writing an API.
And we're all so much happier for it.
No, you are so much happier for it. We are not.
We don't care.
No, exactly. We do not care.
So in that case, we can jump into the...
What are we jumping into?
NextTechEvent client.
Okay.
So this is the thing. This is going to be the class where we are implementing a API call to all of these methods.
Right.
So let's see if we can.
Are you going to
get some
AI
help.
all the
Well,
things?
we can try.
Yep.
Try. Can you implement API calls to the minimal API methods in the file? I think that should do it. Let's also say, let me think here. So we're going to implement those. Some methods.
I was just going to ask.
Not implemented.
Right.
Implemented as minimal APIs. Just leave those.
Right.
Shows.
Okay. Chose?
Those. There we go. Let's try it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. And again, it would have been quicker if you
It would not. It would not. Because...
because you would have been cursing and screaming
if we could do an instant replay, you said, I believe your words were, "Oh, he's such a bad typer on stream when everyone is watching."
I didn't say on stream. I did say when someone's watching you. I did say that. We don't need to rewind. But are you denying said fact?
I am definitely denying the fact that you are calling it a fact.
But does it make coffee? No, it does not.
So it's removing all of this stuff. It's actually it's removing that one. That's fine. This view is basically unreadable. I don't like this view.
Is it the teal background?
No, just what is it doing? Well, it's removed this method, and it's added this one. It's removed not implemented, and then it added what is going on?
All right.
It's really, really hard to read.
Yep. Get off my lawn.
Yes. So what is it doing? Let's see here. So it's it has a... Scroll up here. So it has an HTTP client. I would have preferred a factory, but sure, let's do that. It's getting from JSON. It has throw new key not found exception. If we don't have anything back, I don't remember what it's actually we are returning, but fine, that sounds good. We are query string builder. We are adding some dates. It's handling the date formats for us.
Can you change it to side by side rather than inline review? Oh.
I don't know if I can. Can I? How do I do that?
Yeah. Chat is in agreement that would be handy.
Yeah. So in GitHub you can do that, but I'm not sure if I can do that here. I don't know where I would change that. Maybe there's a setting for it that I need to.
You can always ask ChatGPT.
That's true. That's true. But let's keep this because I'm sure that that's okay. Now, in recent version, in I think this is 2026. I don't know if it's 2026, but I've only seen it in 2026 because I'm only using 2026 at this point. So yeah.
How many times can you say 2026?
I think I get it 2026 in a couple of more times until we're actually hitting the year 2026.
Yeah,
at least.
I think so too.
So take a look at the code here.
Mm-hmm.
Here, for example, you see the indentations? Looks like crap.
Okay.
And fix it.
Nice.
But it looks, I don't know why it does this.
Yeah.
And why doesn't it actually add the formatting?
That is interesting.
Yeah, I've seen that a lot. It looks horrible. Horrible.
Get off my lawn.
Kindly leave the green area of the outside.
Of the outside? Oh yeah, better be clear because all of this studio is green.
So we did have a sessionize thing, right? Where we could search for sessionize. Let's go sessionize. That's not the one. Sessionize, get conferences by sessionize ID. It is actually implementing that one.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think we did it actually turn that one back on.
But I think the sessionize ID is not the same as the person's ID for sessionize, right?
No. But it I can't even find it now. Come on.
Like I said, typing when people are looking is not his forte.
Sessionize. There, that's not the one. It should be another one. Not that one. Did I remove it completely? Or maybe I did. Maybe I removed it completely. But the AI apparently thinks that it should be there. So it's adding that as well. But sure, fine. Yeah, I mean, we have it in the interface, so I guess it would make sense to add it in the client as well.
No stage coder in 2026 yet.
Oh, there is. It's working.
It's just not on, apparently.
Well, I need to actually have code written to be able to use stage coder.
Right. Oh, prepared. Right.
There is that's actually a good talking point. So there is a plugin for Visual Studio that makes it possible to use a Stream Deck to use commands inside of Visual Studio, which is called Visual Studio something. Inside of the Stream Deck marketplace. But that plugin does not support 2026. But I did a pull request for that repo, but the guy that has that repo is not going to merge that one because he has some other plan that for a new plugin that's going to solve all that stuff. So that's That's a little bit too bad.
One of these days.
Yes.
Is there a cat?
No, there's not a cat. But
okay.
There was a possible cat alert. I just wanted to check.
So we have a stray cat running here, and she has adopted us part-time. Mm-hmm. So sometimes she comes in the middle of the night and wants food.
I think
you almost missed the last start of the stream because of the cat.
I think it was 2 or 3 a.m. This morning, and then again at 7 or something like that. And I'm not a morning person.
He is not.
But I'm like, boom, it's cat.
Oh. So when we need to leave early,
you need to make the cat.
I need to trigger the cat alarm. Yeah, Muyan is keeping track. She is. Thank you. She actually last stream was like 7 minutes before going live, and we got a message from Muyan. There's a cat. There's a cat in the garden.
He can still make it.
Yeah, and he did. Mm-hmm. She got some food. Sometimes she even stays in the night.
Or at least long enough for me to get no sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, so the site is still working.
Mm-hmm, that's a good sign.
But we're still not using anything of the new stuff. So let's do that. Let's see if we can break stuff.
Break all the things.
So we need to wait for Visual Studio to
to cool down and start.
I'm actually going to try and restart it and see if that helps.
Yeah.
But again, I need to wait for it.
You need to wait for it so you can restart it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. No.
Okay.
That was something completely different.
And now to something completely different. This is a fun stream. We're just looking at Visual Studio.
The wheelie thingy.
Yeah, the wheelie thing. Okay, let's restart and see what happens.
It may or may not work. There we go. Visual Studio. Insiders. Oh, wow. Yep. Almost loaded.
There we go. Cool. Let's move this one over.
The solution contains packages with the vulnerabilities.
More information to everyone.
I'm not sure that's a good thing.
Information wants to be free. Actually, had back in the day, we were. I was working at a company that was sending out press releases. So that we were sending them out on FTP, possibly SMS at that point. I'm not sure if we actually did, but we were faxing a lot. That was our main business. At that point, we were having machines with modems that was doing the faxing. Later, like a year later or so, we were using ISDN and specific fax cards in our computers that were faxing like a lot of stuff at the same time. But we were hacked. So one of the machines, one of the fax machines had some kind of intrusion. I don't remember exactly what it was. And I was just joking, but okay, but do we really have a problem with this? Because if they can access our information, we're just spreading the press releases even further. But we got that
free
fixed.
Content
yeah,
and
free content.
all that. So 1884 is the year Jimmy's speaking about. Fax machines, ADSL is the fast one. Oh,
you know.
I mean, what is ADSL? No, didn't work.
Yeah.
Okay.
The fun thing is that was going on for a long time.
Yeah.
even after I quit that company. So that, I mean, it is possible that it's actually still going on, but I don't think it's their main business anymore.
The health system is using a lot of fax machines and stuff like that because some of their systems are a little bit on the older side and they cannot write it out. So they need, there's like rules and regulations that you need to have a fax machine just in case at most hospitals and stuff like that. I found that a little bit hilarious. But hey, let me trust you with all my information.
All right, so let's jump into our program here. Somewhere we should have... Is this working?
I do not think so. What are we looking for?
We're looking for... look, there we go. It's horrible with the indentations. This one.
I have a question for you both. Could I create a Blazor website that would load a JSON file from GitHub and then parse that JSON file and allow a user to search through it without me having to pay for the web server?
Yes. So the question doesn't include where you're hosting it, but technically, you would be able to run it on GitHub
Pages.
Pages. Thank you. If you're doing it WebAssembly standalone, you would be able to run it on GitHub Pages, and that would theoretically be able to access a JSON file on GitHub. It could be a course issue, but I think you should be able to. I think GitHub is one of those places that they actually have that open, so that.
So in theory,
you would definitely be able to do that. If we go to ZX box.com. Now this doesn't show anything really, but this is my ZX Spectrum emulator. This is running on GitHub Pages. So this is WebAssembly only, really old project, probably running .NET 8 or something horrible like that.
No.
But this is running on GitHub Pages. That's free. You see that I even have my own domain here. You can set that up on GitHub, and it's fairly easy. I got it working, so it's.
And that was probably pre-ChatGPT awesomeness.
Yes, it was.
Okay,
right.
Do you find it?
Yeah, so this part here, we have the interface. When we're asking for the interface NextTechEvent API, we are going to instantiate the NextTechEvent server API. So if we are trying to get data from the NextTechEvent API, we are going to give back the server connection. We don't want that, but we're gonna copy that, and also HTTP clients. We're gonna copy those two.
So he inherited kinda an awesome developer stream list on GitHub and want to make it searchable, but doesn't want it to cost any money. That makes sense. That's cool.
So technically, it would be possible, as long as, as Stay says, as long as the JSON is public, and you don't run into the course issue, but it should be fairly easy. All right. So in the client project, so the WebAssembly project, we're adding this code, but we don't have access to NextTechEvent server API because the server API class is inside of the server project.
Right.
And
we
here,
need to fix that.
No, we don't, because we don't mind. But what we want to do is that we want to use this one instead. So NextTechEvent client.
Right.
So the NextTechEvent client is going to instantiate a class that has all of these HTTP client calls to the server.
Yeah.
And we also need access to the HTTP client because, well, doing HTTP calls. And this should be what we need, I think.
Yeah.
So let's jump into routes. No, not routes. They move much easier. Routes, make your presence known. We're looking for app. We're looking for app. Where's my app?
Have you moved your app?
App.
Oh.
It's not here. Where is it? Here, maybe. Here it is.
Yay.
So inside of here, we are saying that head outlet and routes should render interactive server. So here, we should be able to, and Visual Studio is not helping me.
Oh, no help?
Fine, let me write it myself then.
Now you will see what I have said.
WebAssembly.
Oh, and now you type perfectly.
So now basically we're saying pre-render, because we need to explicitly say do not pre-render.
Right.
So pre-rendering is not or it's optional, but it's on by default.
Right.
So we're saying that pre-render just as usual, and then switch over to WebAssembly. So let's see what we got. Let's see if we can run this. I would be really amazed if this just works, to be honest. But these are things that you need to work on a little bit to get everything right. I would assume that the URLs is going to be off and stuff like that. So I would
let's see.
Not think that this would work.
Okay. No.
No, and
so something is broken.
Explode. So that's fine.
Oh yeah,
that's
it has the exploding kind of yellow tinted white banner.
Yellow exploding thingy.
Yeah.
So what are we doing here? Cannot provide a value property of authentication state provider. This is true. Cascading authentication state. This is also true. So when we're using authentication,
right?
And we haven't set that up inside of our Blazor application.
No.
But we don't really need to do that. We just need to get the WebAssembly to understand and insert these authentication parameters, even though we don't need authentication at this point.
Yeah.
So we just need to make it understand that this is happening. So let's jump back to our client. Where are you at? That's not the one. It's this one. Program. So it would be builder.services.add. What is it called? Cascading authentication state. I think that's the one it was complaining about.
Okay.
So in .NET 9, we got this add cascading authentication state thingy. So that automatically makes sure that we get the authentication state in all of the component that is asking for a cascading parameter.
Right.
For the authentication state. So we just need to add that. Previously in .NET 8, we needed to add that into, I think it was the app file or the routes file. I forget. They moved it around a little bit.
Moved your cheese again.
So that would be, you needed to have that component surrounding the other components. But in .NET 9, we got that
cascading
authentication state just added in the program file, which is really nice. Still got something that is not working.
Still no.
So no service registered. What is the authentication state provider? And that makes sense as well. Let's see here. What do we need? Maybe we just need to. I need a little bit of help here. Because in Blazor or in .NET 8, we don't need to add any authentication stuff to the WebAssembly project. We just need to make WebAssembly understand authentication,
right.
But we don't need to auth 0 stuff into that. We just need to make sure that it understands authentication, because the server is going to handle the authentication and then push that over to the WebAssembly project.
Right. Stacy says, I recognize that top repo.
Yep. It's true. It's all true. So DOM train. Let me see here. Repositories. Blazor. Authentication. Auth 0, because we're using auth 0 in our project. Let's do it this one. I think this one would make sense, and this one, and this one. So we need these. Maybe this one as well. Let's keep that one for now. Come on. There we go. So authorization core for...
Can you zoom in a little?
Can.
Thank you.
I can zoom in a lot.
Yeah, that's fine too.
So authorization core to be able to authorize, add cascading authentication state, we add that one, and add authentication state deserialization. So basically the server is going to serialize the authentication state. It's going to log in the user, serialize it, tell Blazor what kind of different things I have access to. And then when WebAssembly loads, is going to look, do we have a state here? Oh, look at this. We have a state. Good. In that case, we're good to go. I can use that state.
Is it a raccoon holding up the state like that?
I assume so.
Yep.
At least in my...
in your head.
In my head, it's absolutely like that. These error messages, because
that was a lot of error messages.
Sometimes it does that.
We have response right. This isn't classic ASP anymore.
It is not. It's true. So we
still don't have any no or numbers.
But we also don't have anything else.
Yeah. That could be an issue.
So this is pre-rendered.
Yeah.
I would assume. And?
Nothing.
That makes sense that this doesn't start until... Do we have any error messages?
Could not load content.
Where are you seeing that? Oh,
there.
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
I don't see any errors. Let's see if we can put a breakpoint somewhere. NextTechEvent client. I wonder which one it's actually using. The first one there. Let's actually do it like this instead. Let's go in here.
Oh, it's not even clickable.
It's not clickable.
But there, can you tab? Because there's like a square thingy-majig. No? Okay. No. I think you broke something.
I might have.
I'm pretty sure you did.
It's not saying that I did break anything.
Yeah. The whole if it walks like a duck and talks like a duck.
Talks like a duck.
Yep. I have a duck. Oh, no.
It's an angry duck.
Was it an angry duck? Okay. Because you broke... because you broke the page.
I can't do that.
Your Donald Duck voice didn't work on code issues. No. There you go.
I don't think it did.
Okay. So cooldown period apparently is still a thing in 2026.
Yeah, still a thing.
Not irritating at all. It's like me in physio the other day. I was supposed to take 2 minutes break between all the sets. And 2 minutes in my head is 4 weeks. And I was going to do that twice on every machine. Did not work out well.
Am I the only one that is hearing Total Recall right now? 4 weeks. I think it's actually 3 weeks, but...
Yeah. Waiting is not my strong suit.
Okay, so let's see here. So we got that one. Get conference. Let's set the breakpoint here. Count by date.
I need to rest now. 2 seconds later. Bored now. Let's push on. Exactly that. I actually managed to do two of the sets with almost 2 minutes. And then it kind of went to 1 minute and 30 seconds. And, well, 5 seconds is almost 2 minutes. And then you wonder why I get dizzy when I stand up. Yeah.
So you basically ended up resting less than you were setting out.
The accumulated time
was 2 minutes.
Exactly. And also, I know that you're quicker in the gym than I am, so I had that as well. I'm a people pleaser, okay?
It's not hitting any break point.
I sat in my car when I left. That's rest. Exactly. I drove home. It's like a 25 minutes rest. And also the like 30 minutes before you put in everything in the GPS and whatnot. That's resting. I'm pretty sure. Maybe.
Hey, look at that. We're getting API calls here.
And while I'm outing myself, I also don't know how to rest when I do crochet. For some reason, I've decided to crochet all the Christmas gifts, like 2 humongous blankets and a lot of other stuff. And
I think it's a word issue.
Word issue?
Yeah. Because you're saying to yourself, I need to rest. But what you're hearing is, I need to do the rest.
Oh, that's actually not bad. And
that makes total sense.
A little bit, and I kind of feel seen, even though I know you're mocking me. Huh. Yeah, that makes total sense.
Request URI. Maybe it's actually the thing that I chose not to include. Let's see if we can add that as well.
Okay, where are we at?
I think we needed.
I read star dates. It said start date.
I do that all the time as well.
Fun fact: we have star dates in our wedding bands.
Yeah. Well, I have one.
Well,
I just don't have it on
married.
my finger because I'm too fat. There we go.
Well, the dates are still on the ring, so.
That's true. They are. Can I do it like this? Is this a thing? Yes? No? Maybe? Kinda?
What are we doing?
I just want to add an HTTP client, and I want to add the implementation.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to add the base address, which is going to be the base address for the host environment, which is the server side of things.
Okay.
I think that might be the issue here, but
it still has squiggly lines.
This is an action. It is an action. That's true. Why is this? Cannot convert lambda expression type string because it's not a delegate type. Show potential fixes. Fix it. Fix with Copilot.
And Copilot is...
There we go. This is exactly what I wrote, isn't it?
What did it change?
No, it removed that and added that one.
Right.
Yeah, that's not what... I don't want to do that. Alt delete. Okay, so what are we doing? Why is this wrong? Maybe we can just add this one. So the event API and this one. There we go.
Did it stop complaining?
It stopped complaining.
Okay.
That's the most important
That's
part.
progress. Even though I like the what do you call them? The streamers or the serpentines? What are they called?
Yeah.
The party squigglies.
Looks nice.
Yeah. The decorations.
Okay. Well, this would be pre-rendered, I guess.
Yeah. But no content. If
I go here. There we go. We got some stuff here. And
okay.
Nothing. There we go.
Something is loading.
Hey,
we got content.
So if I go here, nothing.
So that's the conference page.
So that would be get conference, this one, right? This one is not being called.
Oh, that's interesting.
Get conference async. Oh.
Well, there's your problem.
So conference, this one is using that API. That's great. Conference is not null. So we are getting, no, it actually, we shouldn't be able to get anything back unless it's actually calling the service. That's what I think. Let me see here. If I reload this, it should pre-render, I guess. But it's not doing that either. Oh, there we go. So we got the conference. This would be pre-rendered and it's working. So let's go back to... Now it should switch over to WebAssembly at some point here. It is horrifically slow for some reason.
Yeah. Okay. And nothing is happening. That's suboptimal.
It is, definitely. Let's see if...
Pre-render. And nothing.
Nothing.
Well, that's exciting. Well, now it's not even clickable. Okay. Not even an error. It's just not clickable.
And we're not hitting any breakpoints. Why are we not hitting any breakpoints?
You tell me. Or ask your friendly neighborhood ChatGPT.
Speakers. There we go.
Okay.
Let's reload this.
And nothing. Well, this is exciting. You broke it.
Super weird. There's obviously something that I'm missing. It feels like it's some kind of... I don't want to say it because then I'm going to say I told you so. It feels like it's something that is kind of AI related.
Oh, you think? Is it the vibe coded parts?
Vibe coding's a new thing.
All the cool kids
are
All the
doing
cool
it.
kids are doing it. That is true. That is true.
Why is this?
Nothing is clickable, which is interesting.
It feels like it's not switching over.
Yeah, for sure.
Because something is probably breaking somewhere.
Yeah. Would be handy to know what is breaking, though.
Yes, it would.
Hmm.
It would.
Okay, so how do we unbreak it? Well, first we need to let the Insider's Edition cool down. So you have like 10 minutes to think about it.
I am contemplating if what we want to do is actually add Aspire.
Okay. Well, we were going to aspire all the things in the future anyways.
Yeah, but I was hoping not to do it today, though.
Yeah.
Let's just...
Aspirify all the things?
Let's just do it and see what happens.
Yeah.
Add... Where is Aspire?
.NET Aspire
There
Orchestrator support.
Thank you. 9.5 because...
It has a higher number.
Product prefix, this is fine. Location, app host, and service. So it's going to add app host and it's going to add service defaults. And this is absolutely fine. I do like that.
Okay, so adding all the things.
So if we... I'm actually going to...
Ethan doll! Roar!
I'm going to do like this. We're going to add a folder. Aspire.
What are you sorry about?
And
You're here, aren't you?
so I created a folder, Aspire, so that it doesn't, well, just keep it there.
Yeah.
So we got an app host. The app host is the one that is going to start everything up. It is already NextTechEvent is already in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's called NextTechEvent. So it's
Handy.
already done that for us. We have the service defaults, which is all these things that Microsoft thinks that these are the things that we want in our project.
Right.
We can change this. We have full access to it. So we might not want to have all of this, but we could have all of this.
Right.
And for what we're doing right now, we do want all of this.
Has Copilot made it into Aspire yet? Actually, Copilot is the reason we are using Aspire now.
We don't know that. Don't know that. Okay, so let's pop into...
Tyndall has 10 kilograms of swag. Wow.
Let's go with app.add service defaults. Is it not in app? That's not API group. It's in app.
You have some Lego to pick up here as well. do you want a mouse pad? I have like 7. Oh, nice. Not the cheap stuff, the good stuff. Sounds like you had fun. Okay, are we aspiring all the things?
What? That's not what I wanted to do.
You had too many people around you, but I got stuff. Well, that's at least half fun. Need one mouse pad for each finger. Do you have 7 fingers? Taking the literal meaning of swag, it sounds like you've been doing some burglaries. Whoa. I think Tyndall has his swag game on. Or at least had today.
I want swag. I remember swag.
Oh, those were the days. Well, apparently Tyndall is still doing things correctly.
Okay, so builder.add service defaults.
Right.
And app host is by default now already set as startup project.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get anything more.
Swagging. I like it. So, question, is there any stuff in service default that you wouldn't want to have in the application if you're not using Aspire?
What's up with this one?
Okay.
Yes.
Like for publish.
I don't know. I don't have that answer, to be honest. I haven't looked in... I don't think so. I think that it's... the idea is that it should be what you would like to have in a published application. Multiple calls. It was actually added for
Because you're not deploying the whole Aspire app, right?
No, and we're not doing that. Oh, it's actually added it for me, so I didn't have to do it manually. Nice. That's pretty cool. We're not using the Aspire app to deploy anything, even though it's possible. That's not what we're doing. And we're gonna deploy it as if Aspire wasn't there.
Do you want to know why? Because Jimmy went down on a ChatGPT or Copilot rabbit hole, and now we're digging ourselves out of it with the help of Aspire.
Well, hopefully.
So we hope, yeah, for sure.
It is a little bit easier to see stuff. So
Not a rabbit hole, a raccoon hole. That
I like it.
No, that doesn't sound as cute.
So if you haven't seen Aspire, apparently there is a 9.951 available. So let's stop what we're doing.
Come on.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm gonna wait. But the nice thing here is if we just... Oh, look at that. It's doing stuff.
Right-click publish.
Friends, do not let friends right-click publish. The really nice thing here is that we can see all the things that we are running. In our case, it's just one, so it's not that exciting.
Signal was at the same time echoing you in text.
So we have access to the console. So this is what usually is in the console.
Right.
When you start up a web project, it's now inside of Aspire. If we have more resources, we can access those here. We have a structured log. So basically what's happening here is also structured nicely here.
Okay.
We have traces, which is where things is really cool. So we can take a look here that, okay, we did a API call to conferences. Can jump in there. It's actually calling Raven, which is true.
Yeah.
And we can take a look here at all the stuff that's happening. We can't see the data and stuff like that, but we can see the trace ID and all of that. We also have some metrics here for the resource, and we can check out lots of different stuff here.
Yeah.
For Blazor, this is kind of a it gets kind of weird for WebAssembly, because if we take a look here in traces, these are the calls to the web app and the API. We are not showing anything that is happening inside of the WebAssembly app, because the WebAssembly app does not have OpenTelemetry.
Okay.
So we're just getting whatever is happening on the WebAssembly app, and then we get a call to, well, get conferences or API conferences that may or may not come from the web API. We don't know.
Got it. So Thindel says, you didn't start your Raven with Aspire. No, we did not.
No.
So this is the old page that we are slowly but surely updating from .NET 7 to .NET 10. Hey, we have numbers.
Did adding Aspire just solve our problem?
I think it did.
Pre-rendered.
Yeah.
Not pre-rendered.
And load. No? That would have been so cool, though.
It would have been.
Yeah.
We can take a look.
So it solved at least one of the issues that we do not know what that was.
Maybe it's getting a lot of data and it's pretty slow.
Well, it did catch all of them, and there's like 100,000 conferences and what have you.
It might actually be an issue because on the server, it's getting all of the conferences and it's faster because it's just getting into the server. But now we're getting it to the server, and then we are shipping it to the client.
Yeah.
That might be, it might be the issue here, actually.
Banana. Come on. It's Batman. No.
Or the dog.
Oh, the dog. Oh, speaking of the dog.
So let's go with...
It's not a dog, but it's a cat, and cats are awesome.
For speakers, this works. Let's click this one. And it stops working. So here we can see that
we need Pedro. We do need Pedro.
We do.
Yeah. Oh, we need to fix that.
Oh, we need Pedro around us. Pedro. Around all.
Like the background moving. No.
It's going to be done.
Is it?
So this is calling a search active.
So Pedro is a raccoon that went viral.
Yes.
I can answer that one. Jimmy, I hope you're not getting tired of all the raccoons I keep sending you. No, he's not. We need a raccoon to keep popping up. Yes, we do need that. Everyone needs a cute little raccoon.
So we are calling API conferences ID.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing that all the way to the server, but something is breaking. What is breaking?
Dindal says raccoon cosplay when? Actually, we did contemplate that because we cosplayed as Jimmy went as Star-Lord and I went as Gamora.
Yes.
But he actually opted out of Rocket. But I mean, you do have like a raccoon hat.
I do.
You can wear.
So I think I know what's the problem
Hello.
here. The problem here is that the URL here, if I can zoom in, come on, the conference. Are we still in the way? Well, not readable.
A little bit.
There we go. Maybe.
Yeah.
The conference ID is conferences /
Right.
So the slash is going to trip up the API.
Oh.
So it thinks that, you know what, we're trying to access API / conferences / conferences / So it doesn't understand that.
Got it.
Luckily, there is a way around it.
I booked some Svetug early bird. Oh, it's a super early bird tickets. What hotel is near and good? So first of all, we still haven't gone public with because we have some fixing to do, but we did tease on the last season stream. So awesome! You must have been like F5ing the page. What hotels are near and good? There are a couple, but they're not super close. Let us get back to you, and we will look into. I think we will be in Alvik this year as well, because it's easier to just take the tram or the subway. Because if you stay at the other technically closer hotel, you need to get it on a bus, and it needs to be the correct bus, and then there's another bus, and then you need to walk like
that was
long time
not
in
enjoyable.
-3 degrees.
But
most likely we will
all of that stuff.
Probably be in Alvik. The one we walked instead because it was easier. Yes, like 40-minute walk, which Ed did not appreciate. No, because Ed did not bring a jacket because he lives in summertime year round. Advert for 2 minutes? Are you kidding?
Okay, I need to figure out what's the syntax for this is.
The conference is in Lustigkulla, Liljeholmen. That is correct. There are a few hotels closer. How do I say that? We are not recommended to go for those, but others. Yeah. So the speakers and the staff and members and all that will most likely, we haven't booked anything yet, but most likely we will do Alvik again. Yeah, if you want walking distance, definitely Liljeholmen. There's a bunch.
But the more important question is, have you submitted any sessions? Because I know that you are a great speaker, and 2, you are you always have really good sessions. Already have. Awesome.
Nice.
I approve of this message.
The call for papers is open another 8 days, and then we will start our process of evaluations, and hopefully we can pick most of them around the 10th. So mid-November we will start picking hopefully at least half and then work from there. I tried the presentation in a smaller group and I felt it went really well. Oh, that's nice. That's always nice. I like when people are nice and when things go well.
It is still breaking. What am I doing wrong? Conference not found.
It will be such a hard year to pick the speakers this year, because I've seen some of the people that have submitted, and I like a lot of them. Probably more than 52 of them.
Well, it's gonna be tricky. It always is.
Yeah. Yeah, but I feel like this year is even better. But then again, I was kind of out of it last time, so maybe I wasn't paying attention. Indal tried coding section of my repo presentation with a theory in 20 minutes and went terribly. Oh no! AI plus Aspire equals $1 billion idea presentation. Yeah. There is a few. But last year was a lot of Aspire.
Yeah.
Everything, like every second one was Aspire.
Super aspiring sessions.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
The problem with Aspire is that everyone was talking about it, so I kind of got turned off by it. I'm not going to invest time in all of this. But also, when I started using it, I just love it so much. It is awesome. I really, really enjoy using it.
No, I disagree. AI was everywhere. Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, the cat is here?
Cat, everyone.
Okay. Run!
Is it? Let me see the cat. Hey, cat. Cat.
Poo stream. Yeah, that would be nice. I wonder if she will come in here. Is she on the porch?
I don't see her.
Ah, I always wanted to stay at Frey's hotel, so maybe I go for it. Yeah. She's under the shed. Under the shed. Oh, maybe under the...
On the front?
Is she on gazebo or garden? Set up a port cam where you can't see the stuff around the house and connect it to the button on the stream deck. Sorry, garden. Oh my god. We need to have a live stream with the cat. Like the camera directly in here. Is she there?
No, I didn't see her.
Okay.
I trust your mom, though.
Mm.
Okay.
Maybe she...
So let's click this one. So we got this. API/conferences. Conferences.
So we don't dox where we live. We live in nowhere. There's no searchable things. I think we will be fine.
Conferences ID. We do have... That's actually no.
So Pooh is the stray cat.
Oh, look at that.
We mentioned. Oh,
can you see
you found it? No. Where?
The
oh, it does like a %F thingy.
It's smart, so it's escaping the string, but we are actually handling that, so we don't need to escape the string because that will break everything.
Okay.
So we could just remove this. Boom. Boom.
someone is doing a HTTP URL encode thingy.
Yes, and we don't want to do that because those are evil. Oh, they're not evil, but
computers trying to be helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, AI tries to be helpful.
Yeah, they are.
Come on. So I think
preload.
I kind of don't want to say this, but I think that for this view, we are kind of getting all the active conferences.
Yeah.
And then we are filtering how many are open, how many are coming up, how many.
Yeah.
We're not doing that on the API layer. We're just getting everything from the database. I think we could make a educated query getting all of these values. So we're gonna go back to that maybe next time.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that makes sense. I'd rather have some incorrectness on this first page instead of being very, very slow.
And also these numbers doesn't really change because we're running the update script, I think, twice a day.
Oh, right.
So these numbers should be, as Marcus says, cached.
Yeah, so it makes no sense to actually do it this way.
No.
Well, that's another thing for the backlog. Oh, wow, that was slow. Wow.
Speaker. Come on. Come on. Yes.
Another thing we need to put in our backlog is fixing the AC in this little cold. Oh, it worked? Nice. Our studio is currently freezing, even though we've put the heater to 24 degrees. So we have some hardware issues in here.
So we're up and running. We're running WebAssembly.
Yeah, nice. With the help of Aspire. Because AI.
Yeah, AI and Aspire.
Yeah.
But I really like. So we got a lot of breakpoints here.
And also just that one of us go in on the gym equipment. Problem solved. Yeah, it is a very small studio for sure. Well, it's big, but it's also small. Now let's see the Aspire Copilot debug thingy.
That is actually pretty cool. It wouldn't.
Oh, I like how you think. Since NaN, like our na, is neither greater or less than any number, that must mean it's always the correct number. I like that. For context, their studio is bigger than my first apartment. It's 19 square meters, almost 20. No? Come on. You can do it. Oh, there we go. I saw numbers.
The really cool thing with the Aspire, except from all of this structured traces, all of that goodness, is also the Copilot integration. So here we can ask questions about the logs. That's what we talked to, I think it was Maddie on the podcast. Talked about how this was just added, basically, just days or weeks before build.
Yeah, right.
So we can ask questions about this let's see, recent activity. Let's see what we can get here.
Stacy says, so more than double my studio. No wonder mine feels tiny. We do have gym equipment and a 3D printer and a lot of crap still down here. So right now, I think it's the same amount as yours. We need to clean this up.
I mean, get some nice information. Nice. I'm not sure that this is helpful for us in this case, but if we ran into a problem, we would be able to kind of, okay, why are we running into this problem?
Yeah.
And Aspire also have access to the source code, so it could say, you know what, it's probably here.
Huh.
That's
That's
at least as far as I understand the thing. All right, should we end for today?
Ask it for API endpoints you're using most, Jimmy. Stacy counters with, mine has a walking pad and 3D printer. Soon to get a reading nook. Yeah.
Did you notice that I didn't type one single character wrong?
Oh, but I didn't look at you. That's the thing. If someone is watching you.
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay, so what did it say? Most. Oh, it even has like a what do you call those? The icon, the emoji.
This one.
Yeah.
Price?
No. What are those called? A bucket? A winning bucket?
No, we're talking about the
type of
trophy.
emoji. Oh, trophy. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. We even got a trophy.
I really enjoy Aspire, even though I think it makes sense to have, even though we don't have any reason, we just have one. Yeah. I'm thinking, as Thindal was implying, that I think it was Thindal at least, we should probably spin up RavenDB here as well.
Yeah.
So we can run this locally and do all of that stuff. So that would make sense.
Well, you're using Raven, hint, 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 and followed by this. So yeah, I think it's not so subtle hint.
Yeah.
That.
So right now, we have one production database. That's it.
Yeah.
So if I would make something wrong, never gonna happen. But if I do, well, then all the data would be kind of not
can you
anymore.
include tests on it?
Not inside of Aspire. That would be kind of cool, though. You can get a graph, which is not that exciting because we just only have
one thing.
But here you could have more things, and I don't know what we're gonna do in the future. So right now we're using kind of the BFF pattern, so the back end for front end.
Thank you. You saw me.
Yep, I heard you. So it's basically we have the WebAssembly client, and it's talking to a backend. The backend is specifically made for the front end. But we might in the future actually take that API and put it somewhere else so that we could build an app, for example. I don't think we're going to do that, but we could. Yeah. It is possible.
Plus side of Aspire, when Jimmy makes changes at his office, he doesn't need to think about the environment when moving to the studio because it's all scaffolds up on Aspire Startup. The only thing you need to think about, the only thing you need to do is make sure that you have Docker on.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, I don't have Docker on. Because
but you're not at your office either. So.
That's true, and I'm not. I'm also not using anything that needs Docker.
No,
so that's fine.
Cool. So we made it.
We made it.
Awesome.
I didn't think we would. We still need to do some stuff. We need to fix the APIs or limit them just a little bit. We need to add handover from pre-rendered to not pre-rendered.
Yeah. Not get all the things in the beginning.
Yeah. So there's quite a lot of things left to do, but it is actually working, which is really cool. So are we rating some German?
Yeah, I missed that last time. We were trying to rate someone that was doing .NET. Why isn't my window showing here? Come on. Show the thing. Pop out. No. Where are you?
What are you looking for?
The buttons I usually have on the right side, but I tried to mod the person before, made them God instead. Could it be this one? Nope. Oh, come on. How hard can it be? We were literally here. Use raid in the chat. Oh, we can do that. But now I remove the chat. Why am I doing this? Okay, let's see who's okay.
Oh, then we need to know the channel.
No.
Oh, there we go.
There's a browser.
Hey, look at that.
Do we have any friends on? That actually speaks English this time.
Let's at least try that one.
Yeah.
Try and find one.
Well, he was very nice about it though. When he realized that we did not speak.
Aren't you a moderator, Thindal?
Yeah, I think so.
Your
moderator is entrusted? You can start it. What? Aren't you like God level? Oh, you need to be admin or something. Oh, that is how rude of us. How rude.
Warn.
No, why did I get the God thingy on the spammer, but on Thindal, I can't give him God access? That is very interesting.
All right, let's see if we can just.
Very interesting. Okay, so let's see. Oh, come on. And now something. Is this for real?
Yeah, the keyboard does that sometimes.
So the keyboard just typed like 500 slashes.
Is this chat room?
It is a chat room. Oh, that is hilarious. And nothing works. Okay, so this is going great. We need to God level people in the chat room, so that actually knows what to do. We have a Unreal Engine. What are they doing? Motion design? That does not sound like development.
New game development.
Thindal says, wait, Sean is here. Hi, Sean. New game development. Well, I fell for that last time. And they were, Espanol. I'm learning. I'm learning. Last time it was German.
It should be. Is there no way of limiting the...
I don't know. Search and filter. .net. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, it was their name. Oh, this is going really great. Where's Jeff when you need him?
Same category. Well,
okay, so we have a suggestion for there we go. Let's go with what Thindal said. And thank you so much for today, and see you next time, hopefully.
Yep. Bye.